Hey there, folks. Welcome to another exciting English lesson. Today, we're going to tackle a common stumbling block in English, the difference between say and tell. These two words might seem similar, but they come with some important grammatical distinctions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be crystal clear on when to use each one correctly. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with say. When we use say, we follow it with say something to describe what was said, usually to someone. But for now, let's keep it simple. On the other hand, when we use tell, we follow it with tell someone something. So it's say something to someone versus tell someone something. Got it? Say something equal sign to someone, direct object. Indirect object. Tell someone equal sign something, indirect object equal sign direct object. Now, let's look at some practical examples to make this even clearer. Example 1, Maria said she was leaving. Here, Maria said something, which is she was leaving. Example 2, Maria told me she was leaving. In this case, Maria told someone, me, something, she was leaving. The mistake often made is saying told something like Maria told she was leaving. We want to avoid that mistake. If you use tell or told in the past, you need to include who, told who, and then the information. Example 3, Professor Brown said the test was canceled. Professor Brown said something, which is the test was canceled. Example 4, Professor Brown told us the test was canceled. In this instance, Professor Brown told someone, yes, something, the test was canceled. Let's take a look at another example from the business world. The manager said to arrive at 8 o'clock. Here, the manager said something. Now, contrast that with, the manager told them to arrive at 8 o'clock. The manager told someone them something to arrive at 8 o'clock. So, in a nutshell, remember to say something or tell someone something. It's all about getting that structure right. Now let's move on to a situation where we include a direct quotation of what someone said in our sentence. Example 1, he said, I love you, but he told me he loved me. Same principle applies. Say plus something and tell someone something. Example 2, the teacher said, no cheating. Of course the teacher said something. Example 3, the union said, we're going to strike. The union said something. So, as long as you grasp the concept of saying something or telling someone something, you're on the right track. Now let's check these 7 sentences. Some are right and some are wrong. Remember the rules we learned. Say something or tell someone something. Maria told the flight was delayed. Wrong. Correction. Maria told us the flight was delayed, or Maria said the flight was delayed. John said the hotel was full. Correct. Linda said, get well soon. Correct. Jack told to put on the TV. Wrong. Correction. Jack told me to put on the TV, or Jack said to put on the TV. We told room service to bring us some champagne. Correct. She told I love ice cream. Wrong. Correction. She told me she loved ice cream, or she said I love ice cream. The client told we had done a good job. Wrong. Correction. The client told us we had done a good job, or the client said we had done a good job. Great job, folks. I hope this lesson has clarified the difference between say and tell for you. This is Sausan from Brainster Corner English. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.